Ready? Good afternoon, everyone. I am Piyush from BCA PPU second year batch 1, and I am here to give a presentation on the overview of Boolean algebra. So basically, in this presentation, we are going to know about the basic definition of Boolean algebra, its types, its basic gates, and everything about Boolean algebra. So let's start. Coming to our first slide, which is basically the introduction. Here we can see that it is written Boolean algebra is the language of digital logic, where we establish the relationship between logical circuits, which help us in many fields like application, robotics, and many other fields. As we can see that Boolean algebra is a mathematical fundamental system used for establishing logical relationship between two circuits, which can be either off or either on. When input is high, we can say that it is the on input. We generally denote it as 1, and if the input is off, we denote it as 0. So that is why I have written that Boolean algebra is a mathematical system used to represent and manipulate logical relationship. It also forms the basics of digital electronics, computer science, and many other fields. Coming to our next slide, which is basically what are the basic Boolean operations. So basic Boolean operations are AND, OR, and NOT. In AND, we are having 2 or more than 2 inputs, but its output will only be high if all the inputs are high. In the OR gate, we will also be having 2 inputs or more than 2 inputs, but its output will high if only one input is high, then output can also be high. But in the NOT gate, we will be having only one input and one output, and it is also known as the inverter or AOI and or inverter. Coming to our next slide, which is the application of Boolean algebra. As I have already discussed before that it is used in robotics, digital electronics, and all. So first application I have mentioned, which is digital circuit. Boolean algebra is the foundation for designing digital circuits. Digital circuits can be named as adder, subtractor, multiplexer, encoder, and decoder, which we are known to it, and we are very familiar to those topics. Second application is logic designing. For designing any application, obviously we need an logic. Basically, the logic are termed as 0 and 1, which are on and off, which help us to establish the basement of that particular design and particular field. Third application is computer science. We are all dependent upon computer science nowadays. So Boolean algebra can be said that it is the base of that particular logic which is built there. So we are using Boolean algebra in almost every aspect of this term. Conclusion about my presentation is that Boolean algebra is the logical mathematics in which we learn to know how to develop logic between the system, the circuit, and all. There are binary values in Boolean algebra. Binary value consists of 2 values, 0 and 1, which is off and on. Third is logical operation, as I have already mentioned, and or not. There are many operations, but I have discussed the basic operation. So this was all from my side. Thank you.